Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Nokia 6.1 Plus. So this is 6.1 Plus. We are going to check the unboxing of the device. Here is the box. Here you can see it is Nokia 6.1. This is in the black color and the variant is 4GB 64GB, and in China or the other places it is known as Nokia X6. It comes with the octa-core processor Snapdragon. It has a 5.8-inch Full HD plus display with the 19:9 body ratio. It has 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera at the back, front with the 16 megapixel camera, and also the device comes with the advanced AI imaging, which means that the AI feature is also available in the smartphone. Right now we are going to unbox the device and check it out what are the box content of the smartphone, and I'm going to speed up a little bit so that you guys don't get bored. So here is the device. It is the Nokia 6.1 Plus and it is an Android One smartphone. It looks pretty gorgeous in hand and it has a glass back panel in the front. It has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. We will talk about it later. Now talking about the device, here you can see the Android One comes while booting, and after that it shows the Nokia logo. So other than that, we will also check it out the other box content. Here is the SIM card ejector tool. This is the quick start guide and also the warranty card. These are the two things what are given inside the box. And skipping that part, this in this we will get the charger. Here you can see the charger comes with the 2 ampere rating, which is a fast charging support. It is not a turbo charging or super fast charging, it is just a fast charger. Now talking about the cable, it comes with the type C cable, fast charging support, and also this can be used to transfer the data cable. So this is a type C cable. And now going to the earphone. The earphones looks pretty ordinary. It is a normal earphone, it is not the in-ear earphone. So the Nokia 6.1 Plus, the box contains is pretty much similar what we have seen the other previous Nokia devices. And one thing I will say that the device looks pretty good. It comes with the 19:9 body ratio, small notch, and it has a full HD plus display. The bezels are very less and thin, and on the side it has a 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass. Sideways here you can see it has a metal keys for the power key and the volume rocker key at the back. It doesn't have any bump on the back. Now also talking, it has a fingerprint sensor. Both the fingerprint sensor and the camera are coated with the metallic rim. It also has the dual LED tone flash. There is a 3.5mm jack on the top. It comes with the hybrid SIM card slot. There is a noise cancellation mic on the top. In the bottom we are getting a type C charging port. There is also a speaker and also a nice noise cancellation mic. So at the back it looks a pretty premium touch. There is a Nokia written and the Android One. So here you get a glance of the device. The device looks pretty good. It will be coming in a blue color, glossy white color, and the black color. This is the black color variant. I hope the white color also looks pretty much shiny, and haven't seen the blue color yet from Nokia. But this is what we are getting in the Nokia 6.1 Plus device in the look and feel. The feel is definitely pretty much premium, what we haven't seen, and Nokia is definitely giving edge in the design technology. Now coming to the specs again, it has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display, 19:9. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo. It will definitely get the upgrade in the Android. It is having a battery of 3060 milliampere, which is a huge, and Nokia claims that it can run for a day. As far as the camera is concerned, it is coming with the 16 megapixel at the back, 5 megapixel also at the secondary camera in the back, front with the 16 megapixel camera, and it comes with a dual SIM support, but both will be the nano SIM, as the hybrid SIM card slot is already available. And the best part is that it comes with the gesture feature, what we see in the Pixel smartphones, and you can use the notification by swiping in the fingerprint sensor. Also there is one more thing. It comes with the black, if you have a black wallpaper, the notification changes to black. Here you can see we are getting a notification black right now, but because the wallpaper is dark, once we change the dark wallpaper and put the white wallpaper, then it will come into the white notification, which we have seen in the Pixel megapixel smartphones already. So now talking about the camera here. So going to the camera, which is the important part right now, I'm going to the left side button where you are getting photo mode, panorama mode, live bokeh mode, manual mode, and settings. In the settings you get a bunch of features, and you also have a resolution to play around with. So here you can see the photos have a rear megapixel with the 16 megapixel, and in the front also 16 megapixel, which eventually you can change if you require those. Coming to the video comes with the 4K support in the rear camera. In the front it has a SD support, so that is a good part. Even you can broadcast with the account of Facebook and YouTube inside the device. Now coming back to the camera part, not the photo part, not the video part, here you get some stickers. I guess the stickers are not live right now properly. They will enroll some more stickers. It has a beauty mode which you can manually switch on and switch off. Now coming to the Bokeh effect, here you have a single camera. Now you can switch it into the dual camera mode where you can split it, and there is a PIP mode where you can put the front camera in a little shorter format. Now skipping that part, there is also a timer mode where you can switch on the timer for few seconds. It can take the picture. There is a SDR mode. Now skipping that part, in the front camera, if we come in the front camera, we can shoot video up to HD. It is not supporting the full 4K or the full HD video shoot. And also in the camera there is a 16 megapixel resolution coming for the photos. It also have a bokeh effect for taking the selfies. This is a SDR image. Now we have tried some portrait shots. The selfie came out well, still the edge detection is being missed out. In the low light it takes a good photo. There is a PIP mode. There is also a dual Bokeh effect. We have tried that. The colors are very saturated and the reproduction are good. So the camera is good enough to take the picture, but while taking the portrait it misses out in the edges. Now talking about the device price point, the price point will be around 16 to 17,000. We don't know yet, but it will be a good competitor to Mi A2, which is also an Android One smartphone. And let's see who performs well according to the software update, who rolls out the Android P first. This will be the things will be keen right now on the software basis. This is all about Nokia 6.1 plus. This @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.